Well, I think part of the reason people first are interested in getting into fly fishing is just the visual appeal, the grace and art of someone casting a line well in a beautiful setting in a morning or an evening with a little spray coming off the line and birds in the background and a sunset. It just looks like a peaceful, intriguing activity. Conservation is important to us here in the Fly Fishing Club, simply because our commitment to the outdoors, our recreation takes place in the outdoors. It's at the expense of fish, obviously. It's not as much fun for them, but the fact that we want to have vibrant, healthy fisheries in a clean, inspiring environment makes us much more conscious about the conservation of our local resources and our local area.
South Sound Fly Fishers is a fly fishing club based in Olympia. If anybody's looking for an opportunity to get involved in the community or would love to learn how to fly fish, this is a great club to join because we have so much expertise in the club membership as far as learning how to fly fish and all the techniques and areas, but also we're involved in the community. So if you want to be involved in that part of it, in that aspect, it's a great opportunity as well.
Here he comes. There he is. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Oh, there he is! There he is.